With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so today's question is evaluate e to the power 2 minus 3x integration value from 0 to 1 dx as the limit of sum. So first of all, fx is given as e to the power 2 minus 3x and then limit 0 to 1 e to the power 2 minus 3x dx can be written as 0 to 1. This is what? Fx. So you can say that fx dx because fx is what? E to the power 2 minus 3x. So we know that when there is a limit from a to b, integration fx dx is equals to what? Limit h tending towards 0, h of f of a plus f of a plus h. This is the formula. Plus f of a plus 2h plus and so on up to plus f of a plus n minus 1 into h. Where nh is what? B minus a. So here a is what? 0. B is what? 1. Because a here is 0 and b is what? 1. This is a, this is b. And nh is what? B minus a, that is 1 minus 0 is nothing but 1 only. So fx is given as e to the power 2 minus 3x. So you can say that therefore integration 0 to 1 e to the power 2 minus 3x to the power 2 minus 3x dx is equals to limit of h tending towards 0 f of a, that is f of 0 because a is 0, plus of f of a plus h, that is 0 plus h. So you can say that f of 0 plus h plus f of 0 plus 2h and so on up to f of 0 plus n minus 1 into h. So you can say that limit h tending towards 0, f of 0, that is putting the value of x is equals to 0 in the fx. That means e to the power 2 minus 3 into 0, which is nothing but e to the power 2 only. It comes out to be e to the power 2. Similarly, for 0 plus h, we can say that e to the power 2 minus 3h because now you are putting h only with the x. So e to the power 2 minus 3h because it is fx. And this is f of 0 plus h. That means you are putting the value of x at the value of h. At hx. So you can say that e to the power 2 minus 6h plus and so on up to plus e to the power 2 minus 3h minus 1 into h. So limit h tending towards 0. This comes out to be h. This is what? H. Taking common. So h is taking common and you can see that e square in all the terms. So you can also take common e square. Now here you left with e 1 only. Here you left with e minus 3h, e to the power minus 3h, e to the power minus 6h and so on up to you left out with e to the power minus 3 n minus 1 into h. Okay. Now this is the formula. Limit h tending towards 0. You can say that h e the square as it is. This is sum of n terms. We can say the sum is nothing but a minus e minus the power minus 3h n divided by 1 minus e to the power minus 3h. This is the formula of when you are in GP. You can say that sum of n terms is nothing but a into 1 minus rn divided by 1 minus r, where r is nothing but this divided by this divided by this. So you can say that the r is e to the power minus 3h and it up to n terms. That is why by using this formula you have written this. Now limit h tending towards 0 e square as it is 1 minus e to the power minus 3. You are putting 1 here, h as 1 divided by 1 minus e minus 3h divided by minus 3h into of minus 3. Now you can say that e square 1 minus e to the power minus 3 as it is divided by 3. Now you give limit to this side, that is limit of h tending towards 0 e to the power minus 3h minus of 1 divided by minus 3h. So you can say that 1 upon 3 e square minus e to the power minus 1. So this is your answer. I hope it's clear. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.